Hi guys, my name is Shy and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a review on my new Becca highlighting palette. So I did just pick this up at my local Sephora. So this is the Becca Ocean Jewels highlighting palette. It's got 5 shades in it. It has Coral Crystal, Citrine, Aquamarine, Pink Pyrite, and Sunstone. So this is the palette. And it has all these amazing shades in it. So what I was wanting to do is I am going to swatch all of the shades on my cheek. I've got my sponge over here to reapply foundation in between takes so that we can see if any of these colors really show up on the cheek. So it's got a lot of really fun colors in there to see, because sometimes you see a palette that has really fun shades and then you put them on and the shades are barely there, or they even get that weird gray cast. So we're gonna test them out and see how it goes. Right now, I did actually already have one on, so this highlight is super blinding. This one is this little guy right here, and the name of this one is Sunstone. So in the palette, it is, oh, no, it's this one right over here, and this is Sunstone. So she's like a beautiful champagne tone, and I feel like that shows up perfectly on my cheek. I love that. The next one that I'm going to swatch is going to be Pink Pyrite right here. So I'm going to get this off and we'll be right back. And we are back. So this is Pink Pyrite on my cheek. I feel like it definitely picks, it's super blinding, first off, and it does pick up that pink sheen. It might be a little bit hard to see on camera, but like in my mirror over here, maybe if I step back we can see it a little bit better. But it does pick up that pink sheen. Maybe if I add some more light. That just made it even more blinding. Okay, so if you want a blinding highlight, this is for you. That's what I like. I like a blinding highlight. Like, I want you to be walking down the street and be like, what was that? And it be my cheek. So I'm not a subtle person. So I love, love, love this. I think it's so pretty. It's got this beautiful pink tone to it. And yeah, it's awesome. So let's try the next one. The next one we're digging into is Aquamarine, and that's the blue toned one. I'll be right back. Alrighty, and we are back with yet another one. So this one, I definitely see the blue in it. It is super pigmented. Super pigmented. Blinding just like all the other ones, which I definitely expected from Becca. I love their highlights. I feel like they're always super blinding. And this one, you can definitely see that blue violet on it. So another win. All right. The next one we are doing is going to be Citrine, which is this yellow green toned one. So we'll see how pigmented that one is. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, and this is Citrine. So I feel like it picks up pretty yellow toned, like that yellowish green, but still very wearable. I've seen some highlights that are a little bit too on the green tone side, or they're too pale, and I'm not able to wear them because I am a medium skin tone, but this I can definitely rock. And of course, I am putting these on a little heavy-handed so that it shows up pretty bright, but you can always just blur it. Well, okay, you know what? No, you can't. These are just blinding, and that's okay. I am into it. So yeah, Citrine, another really good one. The last one we have is this little guy right here, and that is Coral Crystal. This one seems to have more of like that pinky rose gold highlight, which is my absolute favorite. So we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we are back. This might be my new favorite. I've been wearing, what is it, Sunstone? The past couple of days, but this, oh, I love the rosiness to it. It's beautiful. It's not like overly pink to the point where it's not wearable. It's so, so, so pretty. So I highly recommend this palette. And I love that it also has the mirror in there. Makes it so much easier to do your makeup, to actually use this palette functionally. I feel like you could even, you know, use these as eyeshadow toppers for sure. They're super fun, great inner corner moments. So I highly recommend this palette. I feel like it has a lot of really great colors. They're fun, but they're also super wearable, because sometimes, like for example, some of the Anastasia palettes, not every color was an everyday color in my opinion. Like some of them were a little bit too off and would cast gray on me. So these I'm super excited about, especially if you have more of a medium skin tone like me. It will actually work for you. They're not going to cast gray. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the live swatches. It's something I'll definitely try to do in the future. I know it's a little bit hard to see all the colors on camera, but at least you know she is pigmented and she is blinding. Alrighty guys, I'll see you in the next video.